Hello everyone, welcome back to Shakil Gaming channel. Today I would like to share the Instagram filter again. The name of Instagram filter is which BTS member are you on Instagram. So this filter will show you which is members of BTS from Korean K-pop on Instagram. So please, the first is open Instagram, tap on search, type Sophie. Mana ya Sophie? Where is this Sophie? Sophie. Sophie. Then tap on the smiley icon from Sophie and then BTS test. So we will know which BTS member are you on Instagram filter. Open, then try it. Don't forget to share this. Wait for a moment. Yep. Tap and hold to record. Oh, Minyomi. Okay, which BTS are you on Instagram? This is how to get the which BTS member are you on Instagram. Now you can use on your Instagram account. Your Instagram account. And before I close my tutorial today, please give a comment, like, or subscribe to my videos. Thank you.